Friday, August 30, 1:17 a.m. in Birmingham. You're watching Expoz, and you're not believing this. Somebody dug up a clip on Obama. I remember this time. I don't remember these remarks because it was withheld. But you're going to hear them now. This is Obama. Remember when he made the statement to Trump, what are you going to do to fix the economy? What kind of magic do you have? You know, you can't do it. I mean, remember those things? Listen to this. This is his rant at the American people for 40 minutes. Listen to this. Here you go is the real Obama.
Continue to tank. All right?
Wow. President Obama just finishing a furious address to the American people. Okay, let's go now to a special Live in the Know for some post-speech analysis.
Whoa.
Heaven!
What just happened?
That was he completely laid. I
Yes,
have never seen anything like it.
Certainly strayed from his prepared statement on the economy this evening, and choosing to chide the American people for laziness, being demanding, ungrateful, and chronically dissatisfied. What are your reactions to the president's?
I thought he was joking, but then I was like, oh no, oh he is serious.
Yeah, when he said, oh, I suppose you've all got some brilliant plan on how to fix the economy.
He was literally...
Fixing a show about 1 minute of him, actually less, about 30 seconds of him, and you're going to be blown away by this. Listen to the cursing. It was MF all of you, over and over. Listen to this.
He was so mad.
Yes, you did. Okay. Let's look at a clip.
This notion that somehow I came in here to $800 billion. Do you just want government to do nothing? Why should the government of South Carolina, those kids are in that?
Gosh.
Is that a fair assessment from the president, do you think?
Not at all. It's the president's fault. I mean, he needs to make his expectations clear at the beginning of his term. We're not mind readers here.
Well, you know, I'd be angry too if I were president and everybody was telling me all day long how to do my job.
God, you're always up his ass.
I am not.
Let's go to a Onion News Network Insta poll to see how regular Americans are reacting. Looks like 30% are still sitting in front of their television screens feeling ashamed for making the president angry.
You know, personally, I thought that his approach was over
71% of the people
why
hated
have
that.
to yell at everyone when some of us weren't even the ones that were protesting his health care bill or his tax
Okay,
plan.
you know, look, maybe if everybody just went home tonight and actually read some of the
No
legislation
one has
that Obama's
time
trying
to
to
do
pass.
that.
Well, I'm sick of getting in trouble because some people aren't pulling their weight.
Gentlemen, now in light of this speech, analysts are speculating that it could be quite uncomfortable for Americans tomorrow when the president returns to work.
It's going to be super awkward.
Yeah, I just don't think we should bring it
No,
up.
I think it'll be fine. I mean, FDR got angry once at one of his fireside chats when he called America a sad sack hobo dump bucket, and that blew over a couple days
Oh
ago.
my God, Paula, get in here.
Paula.
Did you just see what happened?
Did you see it?
No, I was in the bathroom.
The president, like, just went off on us.
Totally.
It was
It
crazy.
was
The
really
president was
crazy.
like, he was like, you guys are the worst.
Olivia still cried.
Oh my God. I was just sitting there the whole time like this.
So, there you go. He really said that. He really did those things. Now, they're here reacting and kind of playing it out a little bit. Well, in all honesty, the reaction was exactly what you're seeing, but yet some of the things they said, they just threw in. But what Obama said was true. And remember how he called Trump all these things that Trump could not do anything? He said, I couldn't. What makes you think you can? Well, Trump did it. He fixed our country. So you see the difference between Obama and Trump. Remember that. We want another Obama in here in 2020? Not me. Jody Wolf, Expoz.